Welcome to Speaking Partner Level 2 atau Basic 2, teman-teman. Of course, guys, even this is about level 2, we have introduction ya guys ya. Introduce longer and clearer. Obviously, in the previous atau in the basic one, we always introduction about mention about the name, origin, apalagi address dan seterusnya. But in this level teman-teman atau level 2, we will get introduction longer, lebih panjang, and clearer dan juga lebih jelas pula. Seperti apa, brother? Stay tune, guys. Yuk, let's check this out. Nah, teman-teman, let's introduce ourselves and be partners. When we want to introduce ourselves, guys, please remember about 3 rules. For the first one, teman-teman, please don't be nervous. Obviously, teman-teman, when we want to try to speak English, sometimes we still nervous. But try to avoid it, gengs, ya. Coba hindari. I always say to my members ya, teman-teman kalau di basic 1 sama Brody pasti hafal. Kalau kita ngomong in English, guys, please don't be nervous. Always be confident. Harus percaya diri. Kalau kita aja nggak percaya sama diri kita sendiri, gimana orang lain mau percaya sama kita? So, the key is confidence. Kuncinya adalah percaya diri. Nah, so that's why teman-teman, don't be nervous and always be confident. And the second, teman-teman, obviously keep it simple but clear. When you wanna speak English, when you wanna speak in naturally, guys, try to say it in the clear way. Nah, sometimes when you listen, mungkin kind of like foreigner atau bule, they don't talk in a clear way, ya kan? Ada yang kayak kumur-kumur kayak gitu. Nah, jangan dicontoh. Nah, contoh yang baik-baik aja, that you can say in the clear way ya teman-teman ya, yang jelas dan keep on point. Dan of course teman-teman, when we talk about introduction, just focus in the introduction. When you wanna talk about in the some points atau mungkin topik-topik tertentu, you just keep on your point. That's your topic kayak gitu ya. Jadi that's about 3 rules. Jadi remember teman-teman, when we wanna introduction, 3 rules that you should remember. What are they? Apa aja tadi, guys?
Don't be nervous.
Don't be
Don't
nervous.
to be
Don't be
nervous.
nervous. Keep it simple but clear. Keep
Clear
on
but
point.
on point.
Points.
Keep it simple but clear. Keep on point.
Yes.
Keep it simple but clear. Keep on point.
Yes, good job. Nah, jadi teman-teman, you must remember on this. Alright? So, when we talk about the question of introduction, this is some common question. Beberapa pertanyaan umum that we can say ya teman-teman in the introduction. For the first, pasti ya, we say what's your name? Remember teman-teman, what is boleh kita ucapkan what's kayak gitu teman-teman. Dan nama teman-teman just perlu di remind aja pengucapannya adalah name. Seolah-olah ada y-nya ya, name kayak gitu ya. What's your name? Coba kita baca bareng-bareng guys. What's your name?
What's
Your
your name?
What's your name?
What's
Yes,
your name?
betul. Nah, teman-teman, how to answer nanti di bawah ada ya cara menjawabnya. And the second question, guys, you can say, what do you do for living? What do you do for living? Coba kita baca bareng-bareng, guys. What do you do for living?
What do you
Do for living?
Yes. Nah, what do you do for living? Nah, pasti teman-teman, apa itu, brother? Apa yang kamu lakukan untuk hidup? This is kata lain dari what's your job. What is boleh disingkat jadi what's your job. Coba bareng-bareng guys. What's your job?
What's
Your job.
Yes. Jadi teman-teman boleh what do you do for living? What's your job? Sama, yaitu adalah membicarakan kegiatan kita, aktivitas kita. Nah, when you are student, mungkin university student, nah bisa di-mention. You are worker, you are entrepreneur, boleh nanti disebutkan. Terus, the third question, yaitulah how old are you? How old? Old sama are nyambung, how old are you? Gitu ya, seolah-olah D sama A-nya nyambung. How old are you?
How
Coba
old
bareng-bareng
How
guys.
old are you?
How old are
How old are you?
How
How
old are you?
How old are you?
Jadi seolah-olah kayak dar kayak gitu ya teman-teman ya. Seolah-olah kayak nyambung. How old are you? Kayak gitu. Nah, itu adalah berapa usiamu? Bukannya di Basic One kita dilarang ya menanyakan umur. So, I just wanna give information teman-teman. Mungkin aja ada orang yang tidak tahu ya rules tadi. So, baru kenalan ada yang nanya, how old are you? Nah, kita merasa I think that age really privacy, bro, ya kan? Umur itu privasi banget. So, nanti Bro Dwi akan kasih tahu tipsnya cara menjawab usia without specific number. Jadi menjawab usianya tanpa angka yang spesifik. Nah, seperti apa, Bro? Stay tune aja nanti ya. Terus, pertanyaannya selanjutnya teman-teman yaitu adalah what's your educational background? Coba bareng-bareng guys. What's your educational background?
What's your
Is your
education
education
background?
background?
Yes, what's your educational background? Yaitu adalah latar belakang pendidikan. Nah, misalkan bro, I'm just graduation from senior high school, boleh. Dan seterusnya. Nanti ya, bro Dwi akan kasih contohnya teman-teman. Setelah itu, gengs, you can say about your hobby. Untuk menanyakan hobi nggak harus pakai what's your hobby aja. Tapi teman-teman bisa pakai what do you do in your leisure time. Coba bareng-bareng guys. What do you do?
What do you do
What
in
do you
your
do in your
leisure
leisure time?
in your leisure time?
Yes. Selain leisure time, teman-teman, boleh kita ganti menjadi free time. Nah, sama ya teman-teman ya. What do you do in your free time? Coba bareng-bareng guys. What do you do?
What do you do in your free time?
Free time.
free
Yes.
time?
Boleh leisure time. Boleh free time. Sama, yaitu waktu luang, waktu senggang.
Favorite activity to do.
Atau what's your favorite activity to do? Coba bareng-bareng guys. What's your favorite?
What's your favorite activity to do?
Activity to do.
Mm-mm.
What's your favorite
Nah,
activity?
so you can mention one of them ya. Teman-teman boleh menyebutkan salah satu. Boleh what do you do for living? What do you do in your leisure time? What do you do in your free time? Atau what's your favorite activity to do? Untuk menanyakan hobi. Nah, cara menjawabnya nanti di bawah, gengs. And the next yaitulah why did you take this course? Nah, coba bareng-bareng kita ucapkan. Why did you take this course?
Why did you take this course?
What did you take this course?
Nah, jadi teman-teman barangkali ya, nanti ketika teman-teman praktis dengan teman baru di sini, you can say it. Why did you take this course? Kenapa? Alasannya teman-teman join Speak Matter untuk apa sih? Nah, dan what's your goal by the end? By the end. Ini dibaca by the end of this class. Coba bareng-bareng guys. What's your goal by the end of this class?
What's your goal at the end of this class?
Yes, jadi goalnya, tujuan, targetnya ketika di akhir nanti seperti apa, oke? Nah, inilah untuk the common question, pertanyaan-pertanyaan umum that we can mention nih teman-teman. Nah, sekarang how to answer? Gimana cara menjawabnya? Nih, gengs, we have some pattern to do it. Yang pertama tadi yaitu adalah what's your name? Namamu siapa? Teman-teman, you can mention about my name is, langsung disebutkan complete name ya. This is part of CCU. CCU itu adalah cross culture understanding. Jadi rata-rata orang Western mereka langsung menyebutkan nama lengkapnya. Misalkan my name is Dwi Bramantio. Misalkan seperti itu. Atau my full name is Dwi Bramantio. Boleh. Atau I am aja boleh ya. I am Dwi Bramantio. Misalkan seperti itu. Coba sekarang sebutkan nama lengkap masing-masing. Boleh pakai yang pertama, kedua, atau ketiga juga boleh. Guys, what's your name, everyone?
My name is
Fajar.
Saya Florida.
Sarah Efrianti.
My full name is Rina Nondrian.
My full name is. Oke, my full name is Sarukan. Ya kali Sarukan ya, beda lah itu teman-teman. Oke, nah that's about full name. And the second teman-teman, what do you do for living? Kamu kegiatannya ngapain? Teman-teman, you can mention about your job ya. What is your job? I am a atau I am an ya tergantung teman-teman. Misalkan, bro aku pelajar aja nih. Ya udah I am a student kayak gitu ya. Atau barangkali ini teman-teman, misalkan pengusaha bro, entrepreneur. Jadi I am an entrepreneur, misalkan seperti itu. Atau bro aku nggak ini apa namanya bekerja di perusahaan. I work as misalkan misalkan nih kerjanya sebagai SPV. I work as SPV di PT Maju Mundur misalnya seperti itu. Atau I work as employee in PT Mencari Cinta Sejati misalkan. Boleh ya. Silakan aja. I work as. Atau bro I don't work. Nah, I am as housewife. Nah, nggak kerja bro, ibu rumah tangga aja. Housewife, ibu rumah tangga. Oke, jadi teman-teman, you can mention about one of them, ya. Guys, what do you do for living, everyone?
I am a
I
student.
am
I'm a
as
lecturer.
quality control.
I
don't
work
work, but I'm
housewife.
I'm a student.
I'm student, bro. I'm quality control. Gak usah teriak-teriak ya.
I work as quality control.
Oh
Yeah.
ya, Sis Winda, quality control, Sis Winda.
Yes, quality assurance also.
Oh, insurance also. Wih, multi talent dong.
Yeah, exactly.
Exactly, multi talent guys ya.
Mompreneur.
Oke, good. Nah, jadi teman-teman, that's about your job ya, gengs ya. Boleh juga. That's really good. You must proud of it. Harus bangga dengan dirinya sendiri. Nih, teman-teman, tadi, how old are you, bro? Nih, teman-teman, when you wanna say that age really privacy, teman-teman bisa menyebutkan I am around. Nah, I am around, saya sekitar. Misalnya nih, kalau kita mau menyebutkan kepala dua, 20-an ya, 21, 22, 23, sampai 27, 28, 29, you can say I am around 20s. Kayak gitu, kepala dua, 20-an. Bro, kalau kepala tiga gimana bro? Kepala tiga adalah 30s. Nah, begitu juga dengan kepala empat, 40s, dan seterusnya ya teman-teman ya. Nah, jadi we can mention about our age without specific number. Jadi tidak ke angka yang spesifik. Terserah, mau 31, 32, 35, 39, I am around 30s. Misalkan seperti itu. Dan seterusnya. I think that my age just number angka doang bro, umur itu cuma angka. Ya udah, you can mention about specific your age. I am 17 years old, boleh. I am 21 years old, boleh. Atau mendekati nih teman-teman, bro umurku 29 nih. 29 kan mendekati 30. So you can say I am almost 30 misalkan. Atau bro aku 39 menjelang 40. Ya udah I am almost 40 dan seterusnya. Nah, jadi this is depend on your age ya teman-teman ya. Coba sekarang teman-teman diisi dengan apa? Umurnya masing-masing. Guys, how old are you?
I am
I am 41 years old.
I'm 40
I'm
years old.
around 40 year old.
I'm almost 30s.
Yes, I
I'm
am almost
almost
30.
41.
I am almost 40. Oke, bagus. Nah, jadi teman-teman ini adalah untuk our age ya, gengs ya. Jadi teman-teman bisa menyebutkan umur without specific number, tanpa ke angka yang spesifik. Gitu, guys. Terus, the next yaitu adalah educational background. Teman-teman, latar belakang pendidikannya ya. I studied in, misalkan, Brawijaya University and finish in 2019. Misalkan seperti itu, boleh. Atau I graduated in, apa namanya, Brawijaya University majoring itu adalah jurusan English Literature misalkan. Nah kalau teman-teman jurusan apa disebutkan. Bro aku SMA jadi nggak ada majoringnya. Ya udah I graduated from senior high school misalkan seperti itu boleh. Atau it was berapa tahun yang lalu nih, gengs? Teman-teman udah lulus. Misalkan ya, kalau Bro Dwi, yaitu it was 7 years ago I finished my university in Brawijaya. Misalkan seperti itu. Coba teman-teman diisi dengan background educationalnya masing-masing, guys. Teman-teman semuanya, what is your educational background?
I studied
Studied
in
Did
I attended
some
Pacific
Islamic
School
University
basic
of
and
Auckland.
fitness
And
It was
and
9 years ago I finished my study.
2019.
graduate in civil engineering.
mana sih?
1994.
Doing civil engineering.
It was
Oke, ada yang
20
civil
years ago.
engineering, ada yang university. Oke, good job teman-teman.
1995.
Oke, after we know about educational background, the next yaitu lo talking hobi. Nah, kalau tadi kan hobi, what do you do in your leisure time? Atau what do you usually do in your spare time? Teman-teman bisa menjawab, I spend my leisure time by diikuti dengan hobinya. Misalkan Brody suka membaca buku misalkan ya. Ya udah, I spend my leisure time by reading a book misalkan gitu. Bro, aku suka berenang. Ya udah, I love doing swimming misalkan, boleh. Atau join di ini, bro, apa klub misalkan, klub sepak bola. Ya udah, I am into football club. Atau mungkin I am into riding motorcycle club misalkan seperti itu, boleh juga. Jadi silakan diisi dengan hobinya masing-masing. Guys, what do you usually do in your spare time?
Spend my leisure time
I spend my leisure time by
At my
fishing.
office,
I spend my
in the
free time
museum.
learning,
And my
football.
scroll
time
TikTok, and
is
social media.
play games. Into
Oke, nah I love doing misalkan playing game, bro. Nah, barangkali yang suka main game ya teman-teman. Dan the next yaitu adalah the reason why did you take this course? Kenapa teman-teman ambil kelas ini? I'm taking this class because barangkali I want to speak English well like native speaker. Boleh juga nih. Atau the reason why I'm taking this is because I want to speak English well like native speaker. Bisa juga, oke? Coba dikasih alasan, guys. Kenapa teman-teman join speaking partner, oke? Guys, why did you take this class?
I
And
I'm taking this class because I want to speak more.
I
for
took it because I
And I
want
want
to
to
speak
opportunity to
English
find a job
next
next to my
time the
MBA.
first job interview.
Amin.
Wait,
Amin ya, dapat office in the UK, bro. Mantap. Oh iya dah. Wih.
that's
That's very
great.
cool. That's cool.
That's
Okay,
great.
that's
That's great.
cool.
Proud of you.
Yes. Nah, jadi teman-teman, when you need a job international and got dollar, of course. Nah, just ask to Sis Windah ya, guys ya.
Info locker ya.
Info locker. Yeah, we know
Oh,
it that remote worker, right?
so
Oh, I see. I see. Astagfirullah. Sabar dulu, sabar dulu, sabar dulu. Calm down, calm down.
come.
Oke, ya wes. Ini ya teman-teman ya, kalau punya toddler ya. Semangat Sismi Winda, keren ini
Tetap
ya.
semangat ya.
Mm-mm. Next dulu nih teman-teman, yaitu apa tadi ya? Pertanyaannya Bro Dwi jadi lupa. Oke, ini the goal. What is the goal by the end of this class, guys? Nah, ternyata teman-teman, when you wanna say your goal, teman-teman bisa menyebutkan by the end of this class, I hope I can, misalkan I hope I can work in international company. Nah, misalkan boleh. Atau the goal is I can pass the interview international company. Boleh juga, teman-teman. Coba target atau goalnya di ujung kelas nanti seperti apa? Guys, what is the goal by the end of this class, everyone?
By the end of this class, and
By the end of the course, I will hoping out I can find a
for
job.
offshore company
Plan
or shipping company,
I can
help
Speaking
you.
of
more
writing,
fluently in English.
the goal is to going UK to my office.
Oh, that's
Amin,
great.
amin.
I
Ya.
mean, yeah, I mean.
Oke, yes teman-teman ya. Good luck for you teman-teman. Nah, we have an example. Contohnya kayak gimana sih brother when we wanna introduction nih. Coba diperhatikan dulu ya teman-teman ya. Guys, hi partners, good afternoon all. Diganti aja guys, good evening ya teman-teman ya. Good evening guys. Let me tell you about myself. I am Icha Dewi. You can call me as simple as Icha. I work in one of English courses in Kampung Inggris in Pare as online tutor. If you ask about my age, I am around 20s. Still young. I graduated from Gadjah Mada University in 2019. For spending my leisure time, usually I love to watch Korean drama on Telegram. And I'm taking this class because I saw many ads on Instagram and I'm interested to follow it. And the last, my goal is to be able to speak English well. Thanks in advance. Coba teman-teman, ini adalah contoh ya, gengs ya, when we wanna talk about our introduction. Nah, yang biru-biru ini teman-teman bisa diganti dengan identitasnya masing-masing, teman-teman. Oke? Coba guys, diisi dengan identitas masing-masing ya. 3, 2, 1, go. Hey guys, good
Hi,
evening.
partner.
Hi, partner. Hi, partner.
evening. Tell you about myself.
Tell my partner.
I'm
Good evening.
young.
Let
I
me tell you
finish
about
school.
myself. My
You
name
can
is
call
Randy. You
me
can call me Randy.
I'm
I am
26.
26.
I'm
I
already at
see.
work.
If you ask about my age, I am
Work in one of my
24.
courses
I
in
graduated
Pare.
from Gorontalo State University in
Young.
2019. Spending my leisure time, I usually love
Work. I'm
to
housewife.
cycling or gym. I'm taking this class because I
I
hope that
am
I can
40
speak more
years
fluently in
old.
English, and at least my goal is to be able to speak English fluently. Thank you.
Thanks in
Demon
advance.
Slayer.
It
Twenty now.
was 22 years ago I finished my senior high school.
So many ads on Instagram.
Beracin.
Ya kali Dracin,
Berarti
brother Marwan.
Leisure time, I
Itulah,
love to
able
cooking.
to speak English very well, and I
Discuss
hope I can
For
join
spending my leisure
with
time, usually I love
or
to
offshore company.
traveling.
That's my dream.
I'm
Thanks in
taking this
advance.
class because I want to better speak English.
Amin ya teman-teman ya. Oke.
So,
Oke, overall teman-teman ya, Bro Dwi say amin. Your dream comes true someday, teman-teman ya. Your goal. Oke, I really appreciate it. This is buat example atau contoh, gengs, when we wanna say our introduction. Sebelum nanti kita praktis, guys, di sini ada beberapa additional lesson ya, atau tambahan materi that we can mention it. Obviously, we know it, teman-teman ya. Pasti kita sudah pernah belajar seputar this pattern. Coba, teman-teman, bentar, Bro Dwi. Kecilin dulu nih, guys. Aku nggak bisa nih. Oke, bentar ya. Oke, wait. Oke, nah ini dia teman-teman. Oke, so di sini we know about greeting. Kalau dinamakan greeting, pasti kita udah belajar ya, itu adalah salam atau sapaan. Ingat ya teman-teman ya. Namanya juga greeting, yaitu adalah salam atau sapaan. As far as we know, kalau namanya salam atau sapaan, identically dengan hi, hello. Nah, udah pasti ya, yang paling simple nih, gengs. Or, teman-teman, yaitu adalah greeting based on the time, berdasarkan waktunya. Like we know that greeting in the morning, we can say good morning. Greeting in the afternoon, pasti good afternoon. Dan juga greeting in the evening, pastinya adalah good evening. Lah pertanyaannya, where is good night? Ayo, di mana good night-nya guys? Does anyone knows where is good night?
When you want to sleep.
When you sleep.
Perpisahan.
When
Good night.
Yes,
close statement.
betul.
Bye.
Jadi teman-teman, remember, mungkin ada yang lupa ya. Nih, good night bukan untuk greeting, tapi good night untuk goodbye atau perpisahan.
Perpisahan.
Special in the night. Kalau you wanna go to sleep, kalau teman-teman pengen pergi tidur, nah you can say good night. When you farewell in the night, berpisah kayak habis kita belajar, terus habis itu kita udah selesai berpisah, we can say good night. Jadi remember teman-teman, good night is not part of greeting, tapi good night itu adalah untuk for farewell atau goodbyes in the night. Good. Terus, of course, asking news, menanyakan kabar. Mostly we always say good morning. Good morning. How are you? Ya kan? How are you today? Selain kita bisa pakai how are you kan? Nih teman-teman, yang casual, yang lebih gaul, teman-teman bisa pakainya adalah WhatsApp. Ingat, di sini tulisannya S, tapi bacanya Z. WhatsApp. WhatsApp. Coba bareng-bareng guys.
WhatsApp.
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 Betul, WhatsApp. Nah, WhatsApp you. WhatsApp bro. Nah, boleh ya. Tapi remember teman-teman, kalau WhatsApp kondisinya adalah casual. Jadi nggak formal ya teman-teman ya. Kalau yang formal mana bro? Ya, formal ya otomatis how are you aja gengs ya. Itu yang pasti formalnya. Atau yang sering Bro Dwi pakai nih teman-teman, yaitu adalah how's life going. Coba bareng-bareng guys. How's life going?
How's life going?
Doing.
Nah, kalau biasanya yang Bro Dwi ucapkan pasti how's life aja, going-nya nggak dipakai. Salah nggak Bro? Nggak, artinya tetap sama ya teman-teman ya. Coba kita baca secara singkat guys. How's life?
How's life?
How's life?
How's life?
Yes. Mau how's life aja, mau how's life going, sama ya teman-teman ya. Yaitu adalah bagaimana kabarmu. Terus boleh juga how's your day going? Coba bareng-bareng guys. How's your day going?
How's your day going?
Doing.
How's your day going?
How's your day going?
Yes. Kalau disingkat juga teman-teman, misalkan going-nya nggak diucapkan, boleh. How's your
How's your
day?
day?
Coba
How's
bareng-bareng guys.
your day?
How's your day?
How's your day?
How's your day?
How's is your day?
Yes. How's your day? Boleh. Kalau lengkap, how's your day going? Boleh juga.
How's your day?
Terus teman-teman, boleh juga how have you been? Coba bareng-bareng guys. How have you been?
How have
you
been?
How
Yes.
have you been?
Teman-teman pasti jarang banget ya, jarang banget mendengar atau mengucapkan how have you been. Apa ini brother? Sebenarnya sama guys, mirip dengan how's life, what's up, how are you. Nah, tapi teman-teman ini biasanya jarang banget teman-teman pakai. Tapi sebenarnya ada gitu ya.
Lah kok wis
Oh ya kok wes gurung. Oke, nah itu adalah untuk asking news teman-teman. Lah kalau responnya selain pakai I'm fine, pasti we can say great atau I'm great boleh. Coba bareng-bareng guys. Great.
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 Great boleh. Kalau pakai fine boleh nggak bro? Boleh, fine. Kalau lebih lengkapnya boleh nih. Fine and rejoice. Coba bareng-bareng guys. Fine and rejoice.
Fine and rejoice.
What's the meaning in the
Fine and rejoice.
Lah rejoice kan sampo bro. Teman-teman ada yang tahu nggak rejoice sendiri ya? Artinya apa sih rejoice sendiri? Bukan sampo loh ya.
I don't. Lurus.
Teman-teman,
I don't.
rejoice itu sebenarnya adalah bersuka cita. Jadi fine and rejoice artinya baik dan bersuka cita. Nah, jadi kalau teman-teman lagi galau, mendingan keramas pakai rejoice.
Bukan dong.
Oh, bukan ya. Nah, ya mungkin aja nih kalau cocologi ya teman-teman ya, cocologi orang yang ownernya yang punya Sampo Rejoice itu harapannya orang yang keramas pakai Rejoice habis keramas langsung bersuka cita. Ya ada harapannya kan gitu. Oke, boleh juga teman-teman. Bro, keadaanku nggak baik nggak buruk nih, biasa aja. So you can say not bad. Coba bareng-bareng guys. Not bad.
Not
Not
bad.
bad.
Not
Not
bad.
bad.
Nah,
Not bad.
Not bad.
Yes,
That's
not
good.
bad. Nah,
Biasa
not
aja.
yes, biasa aja. Selain not bad apa bro? Nih, ada not much. Coba bareng-bareng guys. Not much.
Not
Much.
much.
Not much.
Not much.
Yes, ini artinya sama. Yes, artinya adalah B aja. Nggak baik, nggak buruk. Nah, not much. Atau ada juga never been better. Coba bareng-bareng guys. Never been better.
Never been
Never been
Better.
better.
Never been
Never
better.
been better.
Yes. Tidak pernah menjadi lebih baik ya. Stuck di situ aja ya teman-teman ya. That's about never been better. Ada lagi nggak bro? Yes. Ini yang sering sebenarnya bule katakan kalau keadaannya benar-benar B aja. We can say nothing
Nothing
special.
special.
Coba bareng-bareng guys. Nothing
Nothing
special.
special.
Nothing special.
Nothing special.
Nothing
special.
Yes, nothing special obviously yaitu adalah ya nggak ada yang spesial ya. B aja ya kan. Nggak baik dan nggak buruk. Nah, jadi this is your response. Kalau baik ya great, fine, fine and enjoy. Kalau B aja boleh pakai not bad, not much, nothing special. Lah kalau buruk gimana bro? Ya udah sesuai dengan kondisinya. Kalau misalkan sakit ya udah I'm getting sick bro, boleh. Aku sakitnya panas, demam nih. Ya udah I'm getting fever. Nah, demamnya apa ya? Gitu.
Fever.
Terus kalau goodbye atau farewell seperti biasa teman-teman goodbye udah pasti itu sering banget nih kita pakai ya. See you soon, boleh see you later, see you apa lagi?
See you
Uh,
again.
see you see you again. Nah, kayak
Again.
lagunya Bruno Mars. Atau mungkin nice to meet you, nice to know you, nice to see you dan seterusnya. Good, nice seeing you dan seterusnya. Nice lagi. Nice see you soon, boleh. Jadi teman-teman untuk goodbye bisa kita pakai apa aja guys untuk farewell? Untuk farewell atau perpisahan boleh kita pakai apa aja?
Goodbye. See you soon.
See you soon.
See you soon. Nice to meet you.
Nice to
Nice
meet you.
night.
know you. Good night.
Nice
Yes.
seeing you. Good
Nah,
night.
jadi teman-teman harus diingat baik-baik ya seputar goodbye. Jadi bisa pakai yang mana aja. Oke, do you understand guys about this?
Understand?
Understand?
Understand, bro.
Oke. Sekarang teman-teman, let's introduce yourself. Sambil teman-teman memperkenalkan diri, nanti teman-teman bisa menjawab beberapa pertanyaan ini ya. Tapi remember, nanti kita akan praktis di breakout room, masih ada sekitar 20 minutes-an. Teman-teman bisa saling kenalan, kan kita belum kenal satu sama lain ya, apalagi dari beberapa tutor sebelumnya. Jadi belum kenal dengan yang lainnya. So, you must introduce yourself. Jangan lupa pakai yang ini tadi teman-teman ya. Dan of course boleh saling bertanya. What is the important thing in your life? Di modul ada nih gengs ya. How many siblings do you have? Sibling itu adalah saudara. Teman-teman bisa menyebutkan saudaranya. Sibling kayak gitu. What's family for you dan seterusnya ya. Jadi teman-teman bisa pakai pertanyaan ini untuk saling bertanya. Do you understand guys?
Understand?
Understand, bro.
I understand.
Oke, let's go. Kita akan praktis teman-teman langsung ya di breakout room. Seperti biasanya teman-teman, please open your microphone. Syukur-syukur teman-teman open kamera juga biar kita bisa mengenal satu sama lain. I really appreciate yang teman-teman selalu open kamera ya. Dan remember, habis ini akan muncul pop-up yang ada di layarnya, tombol join atau bergabung. Tolong praktis semuanya, tidak ada yang pasif ya. Tolong aktif untuk praktis everyday. Oke? So, teman-teman, 3 2, 1, let's join. Tolong ditekan tombol join atau bergabung di layarnya. Oke, come on. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Diklik Brother Saiful Rijal, come on.
Oke, Bang.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Soraya, Revina, Retno Budiarti, come on. Eli, Cecilia, fokus. Zulfadli. Teman-teman yang sudah di breakout room, please open your microphone. Tolong mikrofonnya dibuka semuanya. And let's practice, guys. Silahkan saling kenalan. Yuk, yang belum, let's go dong. Ada yang belum muncul kah? Trigus Merdekawati, come on. Muhammad Zulfadli, Sis Zaihan, let's go Sis Zaihan. Tuh di layarnya tuh. Cecilia, let's go Cecilia. Yang namanya fokus. Come on, fokus. Indra Widiarto, let's go Indra Widiarto. Sis Retno Budiarti. Yang namanya Ray aja, let's go Ray. Hafiz Adnan, let's go Hafiz.
Mohon maaf saya keluar. Tadi keluar sendiri dari breakout room. Wah.
Teman-teman semuanya, really so sorry. Let's back to our main room.
Bukan.
Yay, welcome back, teman-teman
Hello,
semuanya.
bro.
Hello, bro.
Yes, teman-teman, how many siblings do you have, guys?
I
Two. I also have only brother.
I have
Four.
I have
three
one sister.
siblings.
I have
I have
the one and
I
only.
have 7
The one
siblings.
and only.
Brother.
Wih, Seven nih, siapa
Brother.
tadi yang punya Seven tadi?
I don't
Saya,
have
bro.
good sibling.
Oke, I don't have any
Keluarga
sibling, bro.
besar.
I'm the only child. Oke,
Hmm.
kayak Brother Saiful Rizal 7. And what's number are you, Brother Saiful Rizal?
Number 3.
Oh, you are number 3
Yeah.
older, ya.
I am older.
Yeah, okay. And you still have 4 ya, younger brother and sister. Okay, it's okay teman-teman. That's about our identity and our family also. We should proud of it. Some of you have small family, ada the only child tadi anak tunggal, dan juga ada you have big family like saya brother Saiful Rizal ya. I really appreciate teman-teman. We will see again tomorrow. Kita lanjut lagi besok di jam yang sama ya, gengs ya. Thank you so much. Semoga pertemuan kali ini menjadi keberkahan. Amin.
Amin.
Semoga kita bisa
Semoga-
lancar bahasa Inggris.
Amin. Semoga
Amin.
bisa reunian ngopi barengnya di Eropa.
Semoga bisa keterima kerja di luar negeri semuanya.
Amin. Amin.
Amin.
Dan
Amin.
Amin.
amin. Dan yang paling penting guys, semoga kita juga bisa beneran reuniannya di Eropa tadi ya.
Amin.
Yeay, keren.
Thank you so much
Keren, keren.
everyone.
Amin,
And the
amin.
last
Thank
I
you so
say
much, bro.
speaking partner. We
See you.
are
Bye, bro. See you
Bye-bye.
later.
partner. See you.
Bye.
Thank you,
Thank you, brother
bro.
Mir. Thank you, brother.
Bye.